Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with oh my goodness, I finally had a chance to have my first meetup. I met up with Angelica from Crafters Treat 2017, I believe. Anyways, oh my goodness, I wish we could have had more time together. She was down here in Vegas for a few days and asked if we could meet up. So yeah, I said yes. We were able to meet up for a few hours and oh my goodness, I had so much fun. She is so sweet. And oh my goodness, so of course, I had something for her which I didn't videotape because I didn't have time. If I videotape videos that I'm gonna send stuff out, it takes up a lot of my time, and I do apologize. So hopefully she'll do a video. Anyway, so she gave me a small package, and I was so happy. Oh my goodness! So well, it's not that small. It's pretty big. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. This was in here. Okay, so I'm not sure what it is. Let me go ahead and see. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love these crafty things. Oh my goodness. What trying to tag elements. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? Oh my goodness. Love it. And it is a double-sided. So oh, it's from Simple Stories. Oh my goodness. So I can definitely laminate this and use this. Oh my goodness. Love it. Love it. And here is another one, and this one, I believe it's from the same, yeah, Simple Stories. Love it as well, double-sided, love it. Oh my goodness, and then love these cassettes, and I think this is backwards. I'm doing it backwards. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut these and laminate each one of them. Ooh, let me see. Oh, how cute is this? Oh my goodness, and this is it. So thank you so much, Angelica. I love it, love it. And then she also gifted me this cute bag. Sorry, you guys. How cute! My favorite colors. She knows I love teal. Yeah, aquamarine, anything like that. Oh my goodness. So I will definitely be reusing this bag. I'm thinking of doing kind of like a folio kind of thing, but we'll see. So you guys, this is everything that she gifted me, and we opted to wait to see what we send each other. Well, I opted because I was like, I can make a video, I can just open it there. I did have her open some stuff while she was there because of course sometimes in Vegas you need extra stuff. So yeah, anyway, so let me go ahead and pull this out. Oh my goodness, there's a cup in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, summer vibes. How cute is this? I love it. And there's a whole bunch of sweets in here. Oh, I haven't had these in a while. Oh, these. And then some Andes. Love Andes. And then some Tootsie Rolls. Love some Tootsie Rolls. I already ate all the ones I bought last time, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? Oh, espresso. To be honest, you guys, these might be gone within a few days. Let's go. And then she got me some of these. Thank you so much. I got her some gummies too. So maybe that's why she kind of smiled. Like, yeah, we think alike. Alrighty. And then she got me this cute little tote. Oh my goodness. I just saw somebody post on YouTube. I think it was no, it was Instagram. A short on these totes. How cute are these? So, OMG, I had not even known. Oh my goodness, I have not. I did not see these. Oh, they're Easter. It's an Easter basket. I did not see these at my Dollar Tree. And again, you guys, I think I didn't go in during Easter time. So, oh my goodness, love it. Thank you so much. I love this little tote. Oh my goodness. And then, so here are the items inside. Let me go ahead and just spill them out. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this tote. Really love it. Oh my goodness. And then I've seen other crafters also show this, and oh well, not this exact one, but look at it. I don't know where she got it from. Love it. Can you tell me, Angelica, did you get it here in Vegas or did you get it in your area? Oh my goodness. I was we were hoping to hopefully go to Hubby, when he took me, because hubby took me, I was hoping he would take me to Hobby Lobby, but then at the end, I really did not want to go. So yeah, and then oh my goodness, this ribbon, outdoors by design. Oh, you guys know I always have to look. I don't know why. It's a very bad habit. Oh my goodness, I don't know where this jar is at, but love the colors. Oh my goodness, these are so beautiful. Here is another one. Oh, look at this. I love this. Let me see if I can open it. Oh, I love this. How cute is that? Love it. Thank you so much. And then, oh, I don't have this punch. Ooh, this is going to be fun to play with all my extra scraps. I can actually punch these and use it. Oh my goodness, love it, love it. And then, of course, she got me my I'm not gonna say anything now, but she'll notice. Oh my goodness, she got me this. How cute! I'll pop up adhesives. Thank you, thank you. I've not seen these at my dollar, not these exact ones at my dollar tree. And then, oh my goodness, an oldie but goodie. Love these enamels. Oh my goodness. And then she also gifted me these scissors. Thank you so much. I did have some in mind. I'm like, I think they're old already. Yeah. So I'm so happy. These are gonna be very useful. I'm definitely gonna be using these. Oh my goodness. And then here are some more items. Oh, okay, so she oh, thank you. And are these the same crafty things? I think this is from that same collection from the paper. So thank you. I will also be using these. I can't even talk. Ah, and then a journaling bit. Love these. Oh my goodness. Thank you. So I have the collection now, and I have extra stuff to play with. Oh my goodness. Probably gonna hoard these for a while before I use them because they're so cute. Love the colors. They're so spring. They're so happy, fun. Oh my goodness. And then here is an additional item. Oh my goodness. So, ooh. Oh, she gifted me some stuff over here. Oh, love this. Did you make this? Oh, okay. Laura's plans and crafts favorite things sequence was created by Angelica. Okay, so plans and crafts favorite. Thanks for being part of. Oh, it was. Let me see. Oh, okay. I'm not too sure what exactly was this because sorry you guys. I watch videos, but I don't remember stuff. Oh my goodness, I love this. Look at this. This is cute. Love the spoon. That is very, very cute. Love it. And then the sequins. How cute is this? Love this. Oh my goodness. Love all this. This is an awesome idea to gift sequins. And just, if you want to put it in an envelope or something, or even a pocket little pocket. Awesome, awesome. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Angelica. I hope you enjoy everything I gifted you as well. Hopefully you can use everything I gift as well. And oh my goodness, it was so much fun. Hopefully next time you're in Vegas, um, call me up. Or if you're in California, we can make plans as well. There you guys go. Oh my goodness. So Angelica is so down to earth. She's so fun and I can't. Oh my goodness. She's so nice. So sweet. And oh my goodness. I hope we get to meet up again. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully soon again. Oh my goodness. And thank you for everything. Oh my gosh. It was so much fun. And you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch. And we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.